What's up guys, Speedy Vargas here, and today we got another video update on the XOS4. Alright guys, as crazy as this looks right here, we got some bathroom scales under the car. We're trying to get the weight on each corner of the car so we can get the coilover suspension setup built for this car. We don't want to just throw any off-the-shelf system on it and it's not going to work properly with the car since it lost a lot of weight. And don't take it from me, we're about to find out how much weight we lost. So this is what we got going on. We got the car up on the hoist, and then we got three 400-pound each bathroom scales on both the front right and the front left. This is something that I watched from another YouTube video, and I wanted to give it a shot to see if it works. It worked for him, so I don't see why it wouldn't work for me. Then on the rear we got only two, since the rear is a lot lighter than the front. And what we're gonna do is write down each weight from each scale, and then we're gonna add it all up, and that way we'll see how much weight it has on each corner. I put the seats in there. They're not mounted or anything like that. I also put the battery on there. Fuel pumps are in there. It already has coolant. All the fluids are in there. It has about 15 bucks of gas in it, so it's not full or anything like that, but it's just so we can get an idea of how much it weighs. It's not going to be perfectly accurate, I don't think so, but it's going to be really close, and that way we can start getting the coilover setup built. We already cleaned off all the sound deadening material that they put on here, and also the seam sealer. It's been painful, but it's getting there. All of that is all done. I started also on the undercoating, which is rubberized material. That one is a pain to get it all off, but I have to get it all off, all cleaned from the top and also from the bottom. Since the car is going to get powder coated, it cannot have anything besides metal, bare metal on it when we take it in to get sandblasted and powder coated. So let's go grab some notes or a piece of paper so we can write on it. I mean, the car is pretty much complete. It's probably gonna change a little bit. Still got a little bit of fab work to do on it. Like in the rear, I want to get a bash bar that it's a little bit lower than whatever's on there. Kind of and the same where the control arms and the sway bar, like on that height. Just for protection, so when I back up, you know, it's not just I can just hit whatever. I don't think I'm gonna do it, but you never know, or if I let anybody else drive the car or anything like that. So I think it'll be better to do that. And yeah, we still got a mount or front mount intercooler on here. That will probably change the weight a little bit, but I don't think it'll change it drastically. And I'm still getting rid of the second firewall on there, and still got to cut a little bit more, so it'll change, but not much to where it will make a difference on the coilover system, I don't think. All right. Ta-ta-ta. All right, so we have, I think, yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Let's write it down. All right. Now, let's do that one more time. Then lower it. And we're gonna get the rear. All right. Let's write it down. All right. All right, let's go to the other side. The scales turn off, so that's why I put it up and down so I have enough time to look at them before they turn off. All right. Oops. Something's going on. Yep. Okay, I already got those. And I already got the rear. I started there. So, all right. Wow. Okay. All right, so these are the numbers that I came up with. So this is the left front, left rear, right front. So we got very different numbers, but I'm guessing the left side is always going to be slightly heavier on the front because the pedal, steering wheel, booster or brake booster, so it has a couple more things on that side. So we got 965 pounds on the left front, 323 on the left rear, and then we got 702.8 on the front right. And wow, this is really weird. I got 497.8 on the rear right. And I actually switched the scales from one side to the other on the rear because I thought maybe something was wrong, but no, those are the numbers that I am coming up with. I don't know, it's heavier on the left side on the rear than the right, or the other way around. I'm sorry, the left side is lighter and the right side is heavier. So when we add all these numbers up, we end up with the total weight of, ta-ta, we got 2,487.8 pounds. And I don't think this is 100% accurate, but I think it's really close. It's probably off maybe by 50 pounds or 100 pounds the most. But to make sure I'm not doing anything wrong and I'm not getting wrong numbers on here, I am taking the car to get weighted at a scale at a truck stop, and it's gonna be in this video, so that'll be what we're doing next. So stick around and we will see if that's the right number, and that way we can get our custom coilover setup started, which I'm still not 100% sure what company I'm gonna use. But I've been calling out a couple of places and see who can make a custom setup for me. And not a lot of people have replied. So I don't think I have a whole lot of choices, but there's a couple. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so it looks like this is actually gonna be it for this video. We're not taking the car anytime today or tomorrow to the scale. I thought I was gonna be able to do that. It's probably gonna be next week. So just wait for the next video, which will be next week when we take the car to the scale and see if this number, the total weight that we got, which was 2,487.8 pounds, is the right weight for the vehicle. I don't think we're gonna have big difference. It might be a little bit different, but not a lot. So if you have any comments on what you think I did was wrong or whatever, just put it down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. We have a lot more videos to come up and a lot more fun. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.